welcome back. So today I am working on replacing the valve cover gasket on the track R53. Super excited because it's leaking a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out. I'm gonna get tools and then we're gonna get started.
Let me take you for a ride, dancing with the lights, our hearts beating like a drum tonight. Tonight, let me take you for a ride, for a ride. Crazy, my baby, dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun tonight.
Okay, since this piece and this piece right here get in the way, it's a couple 8mm bolts to just pull them out, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do.
Let me take you for a ride. Ooh, tonight. Let me take you for a ride, for a ride.
She burns the bridges in my head by lighting up a fire. Bury my old thoughts instead so you could feel the same. I live alone with you inside my mind. We would dance the night away to the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. Yeah, yeah. And we give you in my mind. Missing the fights, I don't care if I'm right. Let's just buy a bit more time. I live alone with you inside my mind. We would dance the night away till the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we
Okay, so that is a wrap on the valve cover for this car. It surprisingly went smooth, and it went pretty quick. I think now that I have some experience, because I've done it once or twice before, that we got it done like that. So no complaints here. That is done. Hopefully no more oil leaks. So that should be good, and I'm super excited to start driving this car again now that that leak is fixed. Peace out, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.